Namaste, respected education leaders. Welcome to Pallikudam Digest, your monthly compass for strategic educational leadership. This month, we explore a vital question: what role does liberal arts play in education during the age of artificial intelligence? We bring you four new research updates and one historical insight, all curated to help you reimagine learning at the institutional level. Let's begin by looking at the five key stories we have for you today. 1. AI at liberal arts colleges, a smart future for thoughtful education. 2. Ethics first, how AI shapes knowledge, a guide for education leaders. 3. Leading with AI wisdom, how liberal arts colleges navigate the future of higher education. 4. Integrating IKS into higher education, a roadmap for transformative leadership. And finally, Tagore's Global University at Shantiniketan. Here is the story number 1: AI at liberal arts colleges, a smart future for thoughtful education. On January 2025, Marcel Mastindashaga shared how liberal arts colleges can adopt AI while keeping their human touch. AI can handle routine work like grading or scheduling, freeing teachers for deeper teaching and mentoring. AI tools also help personalize learning, like suggesting electives or spotting students who need support. They bridge disciplines. Students in science, history, or philosophy can use AI for research. But leaders must ensure values like ethics, quality, and privacy are protected. Model responsible AI use, support training, update policies, and lead with human values at the core. Story number 2: Ethics First, how AI shapes knowledge. A new report by Columbia University warns that AI is changing how knowledge is created, but not always fairly. AI can simplify writing, but also risks excluding voices, hiding biases, and reducing content quality. Laws provide structure, but ethics guide fairness, inclusion, and accountability. In Brazil, a 2024 project used AI in school, but concerns about teachers' roles and fairness followed. As a leader, ensure AI tools reflect your institution's values, build ethical policies, AI literacy, protect equity and data privacy, lead innovation with human wisdom and care. Here is the story number 3: Leading with AI wisdom, a case from Colby College. In April 2025, Colby College hosted a session asking, how will AI change higher education? Colby leaders trust that liberal arts colleges can teach students to question AI, not just use it. Their Davis Institute for AI, funded with $30 million, is the first of its kind in a liberal arts college. They built MuleChat, a platform to compare AI tools and promote ethical prompt use. Their strategy: teach complexity, not shortcuts. Promote critical thinking over copying. Empower faculty and students to always use AI wisely, always aligned with learning goals. Story number 4: Integrating Indian Knowledge Systems, IKS, in higher education. A 2025 research volume explains how Indian knowledge systems can enrich modern higher education. IKS includes ancient wisdoms in arts, maths, philosophy, and architecture, like Panini's grammar or Vedic maths. The NEP 2020 suggests allocating 5% of credits to IKS and training over 15 lakh educators. Institutions like IIT Mandi and IIIT Allahabad are already offering courses in IKS. Leaders must support curriculum change, faculty training, and cross-disciplinary innovation. Blend IKS with science and technology, build inclusive, culturally rooted education systems. Here is the story number 5, Tagore's Global University at Shanti Niketan. In 1921, Rabindranath Tagore founded Vishwabharati University, an early model of liberal arts excellence. He rejected rote learning and invited world thinkers to create an open global campus in Shanti Niketan. Tagore blended Indian and Western ideas, literature, philosophy, and rural life were all part of learning. This was education beyond exams, built on creativity, freedom, and cultural exchange. Tagore's university reminds us liberal arts is not just Western, it is rooted in India too. Leaders today can follow his example, building universities that prepare global citizens with Indian souls. Let's now summarize 5 key takeaways from this episode for education leaders like you. 1. Use AI to improve learning and access, but always keep student well-being and mentorship central. 2. Build ethical frameworks around AI balance, innovation with fairness, voice and inclusion. 3. Liberal arts colleges can lead by teaching critical thinking, not shortcuts. Invest in faculty and AI literacy. 4. Integrate Indian knowledge system to make learning both rooted and relevant. Train and reform boldly. 5. Tagore's visions reminds us liberal arts can be Indian, global and timeless, educating minds and hearts together. So dear leaders, embrace technology, protect tradition and shape an education that prepares students for a wise and just world. Your leadership today can define the future of learning for India and beyond. Thank you for joining us on Pallikuran Digest for Educational Leaders. See you next month. Thank you.